show you installing the rear view monitor on the rear view mirror. There is a small problem with this, and I've noticed I've put the big antenna on, although it happened even if it had the small antenna. On the top here, where the power goes in, if you want to fold this out of the way neatly, you're not really going to be able to do that. It's either going to have to go the other way or slightly ajar, but we'll see what it looks like when we get it on. So I apologise for what this might look like. So I've not done this before, so we will see how easy or difficult it may be. So just undo the rubber straps from the bottom of both these clips so that it hangs over like that. I don't know whether you can see that. Difficult to film, so just pop these over and pull this out as well so that it's out of the way. One like that, and one. They are actually quite stretchy, those rubber bands, which is very handy. So let's have a look at that now. You can see how that fits on there with the rear view camera pointing out nicely. Okay, unfortunately that's about as much light as I'm going to get at the moment, but I'm not going to wire this in permanently because I'm not going to have this car for too much longer, so I'm just going to put this in temporarily. I should have plugged this in before I put it on the rear view. That's a good tip for you guys. Plug the power in first. Okay, power in. So the aerial does stick out a little bit. I don't think it's too much of a problem. I suppose it depends what it looks like where you are, but yeah, that's okay. Let's see if it powers up okay. Oh, I need to put the engine on, will always help. And we've got some power. Okay, so that's as you can see, the front facing camera. Gets a good angle there, and where it's got no signal here, it's because we haven't got the main camera on, which we have here. You basically just hold that in, push the button and hold it in, and then like a Night Rider, four lights come on there, and as you can see, you can see there that we are actually recording now. You can see there's a recording light flashing. I'll show you some of the footage back in a minute, but you need to set the time and date right, obviously, for a dash cam. You want it to be accurate. You can actually change the view, so that's full rear view as you would have it normally, or half rear view, half front view. There you go, so you've got full front view.